not even about Cal Weathers retiring?
Wait, what?
Cal Weathers, he's hanging up his light years.
Hey, Cal! Hey! Retirement? What's going on?
You know, I asked my uncle once how I'd know when it was time to stop. You know what he said? The youngsters will take it.
Hey, McQueen, you alright? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead.
Unbelievable! McQueen is fading!